Hello, I'm Claire and this is Danny, and welcome to the Fun or Scary channel.
A channel devoted entirely to exploring the world and figuring out if these places are either fun or if they are scary.
And before we go any further, let's roll the intro. Hi, I'm Claire. And this is Danny.
Hello.
We're exploring places around the world that are at the heart of spooky stories. Then we're going to decide if we find them fun or scary.
Jesus Christ, what the f was that?
Fun or scary?
In the corner. There's the creepy doll in the corner. Oh God.
Ugh, that doll is scary.
Yeah, that doll made me piddle my shorts, which was a little uncomfortable. Oh, something you guys could do for the channel that would be super, super helpful while you're here. If you could click subscribe and you could click the notification bell underneath this video, that'd be awesome, because the notification bell will allow you guys to know when a new episode gets posted. And clicking subscribe means that YouTube then cuts part of the ad revenue from these videos to the channel, which would then help perpetuate our crazy and epic adventures, and you guys could tune in and watch and see if we get punched in the groin by a ghost or sat on by some other paranormal shenanigans.
Well, hopefully that doesn't happen too often, but we will be releasing the videos every other Sunday starting in 2 weeks, and we'd love for you to join in the adventures with us.
The adventures are always fun and always a little bit scary.
So we hope to see you in 2 weeks.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye. Okay. Let's do it again.
Instead of the, should I go front?
Yes. Okay. What? You're supposed to do that. I did it for you. You were supposed to do that. Okay. Let's do it again.
Oh God, I thought I was joking, but you...
This is not funny. Okay. Why are you laughing? Okay.
I don't know.
Hello, I'm Claire.